the temperature of sun is measured with. So temperature of a sun we cannot measure by using gas thermometer, as it is very high temperature. So gas thermometer may explode, and platinum resistance thermometer, over there also resistance is going to be increased in a very the object may get melt. It is, that practically it is not possible to reach that much temperature. And vapor pressure thermometer also, it's highly impossible. So we are measuring the temperature of sun from a distance. Like if you like to measure the temperature of sun from earth, so what we'll do is we'll measure the wavelength of light which is coming from this sun, or the infrared radiations which is responsible for temperature. And from the wavelength we'll get an idea about its temperature. So we'll use a device known as the pyrometer. So pyrometer is a an instrument that measures the temperature remotely, means by without touching it. While measuring the radiation from the object, or while measuring the wavelength from the radiated from the object, we can find out the temperature. So that device we call it as the pyrometer. So for temperature of measurement of sun, we'll use pyrometer.